Everyone, I'm a member for forexbeginnersacademy.com, and also we have a private student group on Facebook where the students and also the instructor himself, Mr. Saad Ali, who is very detailed and he pays attention to his students. So whatever chart that we mark up on our own chart for chart analysis, or you can call it the technical analysis, so whatever that we've marked up on our chart, we post it in the student group, and Mr. Saad Ali and the students there are very helpful. They will look through our charts and they will leave a comment if it's right or if it's wrong, right? So Mr. Saad Ali is he teaches from the beginning, step 1, until advanced level. So before I started with this forexbeginnersacademy.com, before I started watching their videos, I was completely lost, I could say, because whatever that I was learning, it was scattered. It was really scattered, meaning that I would learn step 3 and step 4 before learning step 1, right? So with Saad Ali, I learned everything from the beginning to the advanced level. Everything will be taught step by step by Mr. Saad Ali. And the best part of this is that he is giving everything for free. For real, it's everything for free. So what we learn in Mr. Saad Ali website is about support and resistance, you name it, anything about Forex. So it could be the Fibonacci retracement. He taught us about the trend line, the parallel channels, the price action, everything. He teaches us step by step, and he particularly uses a platform which is called TradingView. So in order for the students to get into the private student group on Facebook page, we are required to have a TradingView platform, an account on TradingView. So on TradingView, then we can mark up our chart. We can do